What's up guys, dannylightning back with another short interesting video. Today we got a bunch of fans going in the background. There should be a bunch of background noise. We're going to test out the Waves Clarity VX plugin, which is designed to remove all the background noise but not damage the sound of your voice. Can it really get rid of all this noise? Let's find out. So let's start turning the knob and see what happens. Right now we got a whole lot of background noise, so let's go ahead and crank it up very slowly, and you're going to notice the background noise will start to disappear. And I've got my fans turned on to high blast, so there's a lot of room noise. Okay, there is a lot of room noise, and this is going to get rid of all of it. And as far as I can tell, it's not hurting the sound of my voice. My voice seems to be staying exactly the same. Now I can crank this up to 100%. It's going to get rid of every last little thing, but you do hear a little bit of your voice being like damaged, all right, when it's at 100%, but around like 40, 50, 60%, I can't really tell much of a difference in the way my voice sounds. So this is a really good plugin. Let me know in the comments what you think. How well did this do? Now, there's a lot of people using this app in a way that is not really intended. They've got the most extreme background noise I've ever seen. It sounds like they're at some kind of rocket launch. I mean, my God, this app's supposed to get rid of fan noise, maybe a few people talking in the background and stuff like that. It's not designed to get rid of noises that are louder than your voice, okay? It's going to have a really hard time. Yes, it's designed to listen to the background, and it's supposed to know the difference between your voice and the background sounds, and it cuts out the background sounds but not your voice. And it does an excellent job at this, but it is not going to be perfect if you have extreme background noise. We do have a lot of background noise in this video. Let's go ahead and turn the knob back off. You'll notice a drastic difference, guys. You will notice a drastic difference. I think this thing is amazing. I got this on sale for dirt cheap. Usually I think it's like $100 and some, which is probably worth it if you've got a noisy room that you can't just get rid of the noise and you need a nice, quiet, clean background. But yeah, I got it real cheap, so it was totally worth it to me. I don't think I would have paid $100 and some for it, because normally I don't have that much background noise. But at the price I got it at, I'm going to say I think this is just a phenomenal app. It does the job really well. It is very good in my opinion. So hope you guys enjoyed the review. All right, catch you later. Lightning out. Have an awesome day. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that little bell and set those notifications on. We will catch you next time. See ya.